BASF Kids Lab at Curtin is an interactive initiative where primary school students attend a 2-hour science experience at Curtin University laboratories, offered at both the Perth and Kalgoorlie campuses.
We're targeting years 4 to 6 students, so at that young age, at that formative age where we can talk to them about science and make science accessible for them. They come along to Curtin campus. It's about a 2-hour session. They'll come and have a talk, a presentation on chemistry and how it's part of our everyday life. And then they'll get kitted up, so they get their gloves and aprons and their safety glasses, and then head on into our labs. And there they'll rotate through 3 simple hands-on experiments, such as making homemade toothpaste or investigating chromatography. The labs are done under the supervision of Curtin students and also mentors from industry who are working in chemistry. So that means the students are able to meet people who are studying chemistry and working in chemistry, so they can see that it's accessible and a pathway that is available for them.